point. Selection of operating point plays a vital role in the faithful amplification of any signal. The operating point must be fixed at a single point in a active region for the faithful amplification. It must not vary from one point to another point in active region or in any region of a transistor. To produce distortion free output, the operating point must be fixed in a point. So we know that the transistor has 4 regions, that is active region, saturation region and cutoff region, and there is another region also, that is non-conductor region. We keep it apart. Apart from that, to work transistor as an amplifier, it must work in active region. So the applied input signal must not destroy the transistor or must not transfer the transistor from active region to any other 2 regions. So for that we have to fix the Q point at any point in a active region for the faithful amplification. For that, let us take some examples, as point that is near to cutoff region and one point that is near to saturation region and the point which is middle of the active region. Now first let us consider a point which is near to cutoff region. If the point is Q point is near to the cutoff region, let us consider this as an input signal. During the positive peak, the output is properly reproduced, but at the negative peaks, if the negative value increases, the transistor will be transferred from active region to cutoff region, which will destroy the remaining part of the input signal. This part is clipped off in the output. This will cause distortion in the output signal. So Q point that is near to the cutoff region will not be beneficial for the faithful amplification. Let us consider the Q point which is near to the saturation region. If the Q point is near to the saturation region and this is input signal, if this is input signal, during the positive peak, for some time the output is reproduced. After some time the input voltage will transfer the transistor from active region to saturation region, which will make transistor will not work as an amplifier. So the part which lies in the saturation region will be clipped off, so that will not be amplified in the output stage and that will be clipped in the output. So this will produce distortion and the amplification will not be faithful, that is the fully amplified signal at the input will not be produced at the output. In that way, current signal also will be clipped off, so that the point which is near to the saturation region will not be beneficial for the faithful amplification. Now let us consider the point that is the Q point at the midpoint of the active region. If it is midpoint of the active region, during the positive swing it will not transfer the transistor from active region to saturation region, and also at during the negative swing the transistor will not be transferred from active region to cutoff region, which will helpful in the faithful amplification of the signal at the output. We can see that output is faithfully amplified and reproduced. For that we have to fix the Q point at any point in an active region, that is at the midpoint. It is more beneficial for the faithful amplification. These values, the point of the place of the Q point is fixed by the voltages VCQ and ICQ. These two values will fix the Q point, and we must ensure that these two voltages must be in such a way that will keep the Q point of a transistor in the active region. Like this, the selection of proper cue point also will takes a vital role in the faithful amplification of any signal.